Hey guys, Dave here from Street Shots. This video is the 1 month update on the FujiFilm X-100s. This little bad boy. So it's been 1 month, thereabouts, and so far I still love this camera. It's got some flaws. The autofocus, it's a bit shit. By shit I mean slow. It's not a huge problem, but I thought I'd use this camera for street work only, and I shoot from the hip, I run and gun, click, I'm stealthy, I have it on silent mode, and I was hoping the autofocus would be just a tad better. So what I've been trying to do, I've been exploring like the zone focusing, just pre-focusing on say 1.5 meters or 2 meters, and as I'm walking, just when people get in my little golden zone, and I usually shoot on about f8, so the depth of field is not too shallow, but just try and get people in that zone and go bang. And yeah, so that's going pretty well. It's taking a little bit of getting used to. A couple of times I've unfocused accidentally just by handling the camera, but yeah, it's really cool. I love it. It's just my style at the moment is being sneaky, basically getting candid shots where people don't even know I'm taking a photo. I'm just holding my camera, pretending to look at it, click, 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 click. And so the little camera's a beast for that. I'm loving it. And I got, I don't know if you can see that, got a thumb grip. It's an eBay one that cost, $5. It's great. I was having a lot of trouble. I kept pushing these buttons with my thumb. This makes it a lot easier. And I got this rope strap, which I could put around, my shoulder, and it's very comfortable. It only cost like $20 from a British guy on eBay. I can't remember what he was called, but I'm sure if you want to find one of these, you could. It came with the two little rubber mounts there to protect your camera. I'm not worried. If these things wore out, I just get a new camera because they will last a long time. As far as I can tell, you'd have to try pretty hard to wear those little knobs out. But yeah, another thing, the battery life's not great. It came with 2 batteries, and I bought an extra one, a third one, because they just don't last a whole long amount of time. And I find I turn the back screen off when I'm out shooting and just click it back on to review some photos, and that conserves a lot of battery power, which is good. Just a little hack, I guess. Another thing, I've been shooting more and more color. I do a lot of black and white, but and I shoot in RAW, so I don't use the film modes on the camera. But when you export to Lightroom, it recognizes what camera you're using, and it gives you the option of using those color modes. I really like Velvia. I think that's how you say it, Velvia. Yeah, it gives really quite vivid blues and reds and whatever colors are there. Looks a little bit old school, but not crazy old school. Not like those fake vintage looks, but I like that a lot. So I've been hitting up the color. I got one particular photograph of a man with his bright yellow pants. Thought it looked pretty cool, and yeah, I did one at a coffee shop in Fremantle the other day, and the guy had this mad reflections on the ceiling above him, and that turned out quite well. Anyway, I'm going to show you guys a bunch of photos now. God damn it. Can you hear that insect? Little bastard. Anyway, yeah, take a look at these photos. I hope you like them. If you like street photography, check out some of my other videos. If you like them, maybe subscribe, leave a comment. Feel free to, offer some constructive criticism, or just say hi. If you've got a channel, send a link, let me know. If you've got an Instagram, hit me up on that, or leave the link. I'll check it out. I'd love to see some of your guys' work. That's about all. From me and Nacho, we're going to say goodbye. Have a great day. Take care. Thanks for watching Street Shots.